32 pounds of boost. Wow. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Today we are in a gorgeous example of VW engineering 2019 Golf R, and you can probably hear it already. It sounds amazing. Glorious Turbo 4 all-wheel drive. This one is fully loaded. It's got all the bells and whistles. I mean, everything you want. Driver aids, such as lane alert with steering assist. You've got your dynamic range cruise control. You've got your parking sensors. You've got your auto start stop. This thing has it all. It's heated front seats, navigation, both on the digital dash and on the display. So it's a well-equipped, well-kitted out Golf R. Probably the top of the line, best you can get. There's a particular example. It's got 49,000 miles, and you wouldn't be able to tell. It's immaculate on the inside. It sounds amazing. I think right now we're in race mode, so I'm going to start in normal just so we can see the difference in the normal one versus the race one. And immediately it's a little bit quieter. I do know from driving a little bit earlier that, you know, it's not going to hold the revs nearly as much. But yeah, actually, still has a great pull. Definitely not a slouch. Plenty of power, plenty of torque. If you want more, being a turbo engine, it's really easy to get. I like the performance display. You know, it shows you how much boost is being created, shows you the G-forces you're pulling, shows you the water temp, which is very important. You know, things you want to keep an eye on, especially on a performance car. And this thing cruises well. It has the space to make it practical, and it has the performance to make it fun and enjoyable, and able to take it on the track or up in the mountain roads. And then again, it has the safety, being a hatch and being a well-made VW. So it kind of ticks all the boxes. Of course, some will say, well, the one box doesn't tick the reliability. Hey, it's neither here nor there. You know, everyone's got their preference and what they're looking for, and you're buying a newer one, you know, you have a lot less to worry about versus buying, you know, one with, say, 100,000 miles or so. Anyway, how does this thing drive? How does this thing stack up against the competition? So far, it drives really well. I immediately got on the highway because I really just wanted to see how it cruised, and it cruises well. It's quiet enough. You can hear the truck passing by, but it's not terribly loud. There's not too much road noise, but it's not super quiet like it would be in like a top-of-the-line luxury Lexus or Toyota or something like that. But it's still nice. And with the exhaust in normal, or with the car in normal, the exhaust isn't loud, it's not drony. It's not going to get on your nerves there. You've got your blind spot monitoring, works very well. You've got your lane assist. It steered me back into the lane there. Even though okay, so the battery died. Hopefully I have enough to finish this video, to make it quick. Anyway, so normal mode. Oh, what the fuck? Normal mode. Right, so let's finish this video out. My battery died. I don't know how much life I have left on this one. Anyway, so normal is smooth, it's quiet. The steering is responsive, but not super tight, not super heavy. See if we can get a full pull here. Not full pull, but you know, a nice pull. I'm gonna move my bag so it's not sliding around back there. Making that much boost out of the, I don't know if it's stock, so let me just shut up right there. I don't know if it's stock. It's got 47,000 miles. It pulls really hard. It's got a good sound. It's a good chance it's not stock. It could be. Good chance it's not. So before I say it is, it made a lot of boost and it pulled really hard. That was awesome. And that's in normal mode. So let's just go to race mode real quick and try that out. So immediately the revs kick up. It shifts down a little bit, keeps you higher up in the power band. You can hear the exhaust valves open up all the way. Very nice. You gotta love turbo engines, man. I love V8s, but I love turbo engines too. Shifts are fast. It's a very great car. It's very nice. It cruises very well. Cruises superbly well. Quiet, you know, it's got the power when you want it. It's got the practicality where you need it. I definitely understand why the Golf ticks all the boxes, especially a Golf R. You know, for somebody that wants performance while having practicality, this is a really good example of it. It's very nice. So let's go to a little bit of a simulated twisty road just to see how the steering feel is, and then we'll wrap this video up. I really like it though, this is nice. Downshifts are crisp and quick. It's very nice. Definitely see the appeal to these cars, you know. And oh, this brings me to my next point though. I can't wait for that new GR Corolla that's supposed to be coming out. For those of you that don't know, there is a Toyota Yaris, the GR Yaris, that is all-wheel drive, turbo, 4-cylinder, or turbo 3-cylinder, and all-wheel drive, makes about 50 horsepower. So it's basically Toyota's version of a Golf R. And that is coming to the States, but it's coming in the Corolla hatch. So I cannot wait to drive that to see how that compares against this. After driving this, it'll be a really good comparison, a really good seat of comparison once we finally get that Corolla. So I'm excited about that. That should be a really cool comparison against this car. That's exactly why Toyota's making it. So I'm excited. You should be too. Anyway, let's see how this thing pulls, or turns. We know how it pulls. Let's see how it turns. I'm gonna downshift here, third gear a couple times. Sounds very nice. You hear the blow off. Great car. I'm coming to you from my phone here because my battery died while we were out on that drive. So hopefully that summed it up really well. This car is great. It feels really good. It's got the space and practicality. It has the sound. It has the sportiness. It has the performance behind it. It's got the power. It's got the acceleration. I mean, I understand why the Golf has been rated like the top go-to car if you want something fun yet practical. So no, I totally get it. The Golf R is amazing. The all-wheel drive really helps it in every regard in terms of the acceleration, the grip, the feeling. It's really nice. Great car. So again, just gonna sign off here. Thank you so much for checking it out. I really do appreciate it. Remember to drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Do something awesome. Peace. The camera's over here. it.